Moim had ye, anya she your culture dear. And ya dear is sinful.
Sure.
Ye kaya mamre near money dear. Nani po a woo sem and incense, and ya dear diagro. Na be nya ubia sabi. Rempese make us also a century, minimum so a century.
Ombezo gas or so in some tune.
I know beer or a century. But enukano, we still have to do a proper checking about these claims. I make a million century.
Yes, some tune.
No, have not been into that. I've been into the business over 20 years. But school, I'm not calling you now. I move be in 1 century. My first degree, business administration. My second degree, I am master's, public administration. So, but opportunity ni I also any Ghana for a casa, any dijuma. And no interest sebi, I also did some. When you make categorical statement about a woman dear, you should be able, for documents in so, you should be able to avail yourself to substantiate the allegations now making. Intimidity pass into this last but one paragraph now. We are certain that he will accede.
I think we can now okay. Said the or no to me about bonting or be cassidy. Also to me assisted the police.
Oh yeah, also to me assisted the police. And you can say anything.
Could be out to me a can emphatic say
Ghana. You need a kukudu for you were more property friends and needless bravado. Need very like the a very needless bravado. I'm telling you, he has nothing to show. He was just doing needless bravado.
He has nothing to show.
So you were irresponsible people in this country who consistently making irresponsible comment on radio and on TV. Now man for shame will be carry very irresponsible comment. And a man for making a net they have a power on the National Media Commission. And no one they are only looking at say a do time I ever to about hate speech any other day. But before the National Media Commission are also mushe, Independent Media Commission are also mushe. Whom are we employing to talk to the people? Whom are we? The state of their mind. Whom are we employing to speak to the people?
Okay.
Oh, because ushe tangent na branch and call. So you ask yourself, what at all was his motive?
Now they cry na pushino.
Yeah, what at all was him? But I been pan and so. And again, what at all does he wanted to achieve? But that malicious and reckless statements now, no. Dien pan no person or achieve. Dien na buta. Dien na onim ana person or chere. Because material moment na you do there. Na me this obi bia kan. Na your evidence are police.
Sure.
And actually, you join the suit as a third party.
Now,
yeah, you join the suit as a third party. Now, court. This a criminal case like this. When you join the suit as a third party, the landed judge will give you an opportunity to speak to the fact. You be accusing the BIA say or can't Pooley no. It means it stand your friend say you're charging of crime,
yeah.
With a first degree felony. First degree felony, the sentence to is either by custodium and I say by fan. And when you fan sentence emblem, a custodium. Custodian say or say, and you might end up even say because of say be a sentence to life imprisonment. And to say a chance try to be swa now fact there also availing the fact.
Sure.
Because he made very reckless and irresponsible comments. The number person me change say, "Enye nyina na awfo antete you." Ye sheda etete yen bi pa. Ba ye say be dis.
titi yes yes be
you be this sem hunu awa bonte enti enye tambia na wo say ye twa amanfo awofo anaso omo family eba omo actions no especially responsible people obi a wonyini wonya over 25 years wonya 30 years was ne fiefo now enye ne fiefo
ono angasa
ne fiefo no efie na ono otete no efie na ono waware efie na ono wawo ba wo mu no sa fie no fa family na ono okay and na o show me irresponsibility and then the guy ne
okay
is absolute no you see you don't do that Kwame no you don't do that especially say nipa wu some of the facts man for omo from witness some of the facts might not be true some of the facts might not be able to test before the law court but those people have given statement.
Sure.
So what I said, those people have given statement. Meaning, say as I'm talking about security men and no more supporters on one. People pay 8, Echo 11 has given out statement. When you give statement, it means you are ready to appear before the court. Has Wallace given a statement with his fresh evidence?
No.
So may I say as I'm talking about say they have reported the issue
to the IGP.
To the IGP.
Almost a man 48 hours.
Yes. So Asante should take the matter on. Asante should show that they are really a clubber or more compassionate.
Okay. Mate,